I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the app ready and linking accounts. You should sign into Google in both YouTube and the destination app. This keeps subscriptions and history consistent. Once done, find the video, tap Share, and choose Copy Link or the app icon. Make sure to enable clipboard and link permissions if the app prompts you. These initial steps let you move a playable URL into another app without losing playback controls or captions. Next, paste the link into the app's media field and choose how you want playback to behave. You can enable inline playback for in-app viewing or select Open in Player to launch YouTube directly. Use iframe/embed when available to keep controls. Once pasted, set start time, autoplay, and captions so viewers land exactly where you want. Also pick a quality preference: lower for mobile data, higher for Wi-Fi. This setup controls user experience. Finish by testing the embedded video on different devices and networks to confirm playback, captions, and controls work. If you hit problems, check account authentication, link privacy settings, and any API quota limits the app might hit. These are common blockers. Make sure the video isn't restricted by age or region. As a fallback, provide a direct YouTube link or an authorized download option when embedding is blocked. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.